Good day to everyone. Just a simple mobile photo shoot, but a story worth sharing. Through my phone, I advocate for Cordilleran culture, featuring this young dancer from the Casiana Cultural Dance Group, moving with pride and tradition. Okay, alakas kati ko.
Hoy, sulong ano?
One. Hands, okay lang. Sige. 1, 2, 3. May sabay. 1. Two, three. Okay, with video na ito, sir. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. May sabay. Kaunan ka lang, sir, ha? Kaunan ka lang, sir. Basta. Okay, ha? Okay. Kamalak lang, day ko, ha? Okay, may sabay.